Welcome to the Suborbital Pilot Ground School Instructional Video Part 5. This is the final DVD in the Suborbital Pilot Ground School series. I'm David LeFrancois, and I'll be presenting the ground school material on space law. I'm the author of the Suborbital Pilot's Ground School Manual and the President and Operations Manager of the Beyond Blue Aerospace Corporation. I'm a professional engineer with a Master of Science degree in Space Studies from the University of North Dakota's School of Aerospace Sciences. I've been a licensed pilot since 1991, and my career experience includes teaching aviation ground school courses. The purpose of this ground school is to familiarize suborbital pilots with international space law and applicable international organizations, national and supranational space policies, and the U.S. commercial space transportation licensing. The material presented in this video is for information purposes only and is subject to change as laws and policies change. The series of lessons presented in this ground school are based on Part 5 of the Suborbital Pilot's Ground School Manual. I recommend that students purchase this book as it has more detail than can be provided in ground school lectures, and it will serve as a good reference as your career progresses. The book is available through the Beyond Blue Aerospace website, www.beyondblue.ca, Barnes & Noble, as well as Amazon.com. This ground school includes 3 distinct lessons. Lesson 1, International Law and Organizations. Lesson 2, National and Supranational Policies. Lesson 3, U.S. Commercial Space Transportation Licensing. Lesson number 1 on International Law and Organizations provides an overview of the UN Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, the International Civil Aviation Organization, the International Committee on Global Navigation Satellite Systems, the International Telecommunication Union, and their role in establishing international law and policies. Lesson 2 provides specific national and supranational space policy examples from Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, the European Union, Japan, the Republic of Korea, the Russian Federation, and the United States. Lesson number 3 describes the U.S. commercial space transportation licensing as it applies to suborbital space flight. It includes the following topics: license application procedures, safety approvals, launching regulations, re-entry regulations, launch and re-entry of a reusable launch vehicle, experimental permits, financial responsibility, and human spaceflight requirements. After you've viewed all 3 lessons, then take the Threshold Knowledge Test, or the TKT, to help reinforce the key information presented in this ground school and to provide you with a simple assessment of how well you have understood the ground school material. The TKT can be accessed from the main menu of this video.